Hi guys, welcome back to Medicopharma Lecture. Now we are going to start a series of lectures which is mainly focusing on Iraq exam preparation. Okay, so we are going to see the syllabus and plans. So basically, if you'll see your syllabus, there are various subjects under it. Okay, so the first subject is pharmaceutical chemistry. Second one is clinical biochemistry. Third one is pharmaceutics. Fourth one is pharmacognosy. Fifth one is clinical pharmacy. And sixth one is pharmacology. So we are basically going to start with pharmacology and followed by clinical pharmacy. So your pharmacology syllabus contains mainly cardiovascular disorders or disease. Okay. So as I mentioned earlier that pharmacology mainly contains cardiovascular disorders or disease. Okay, so if you'll see, they mainly need some basic understanding of pharmacology. Okay, but not the whole chapter. So don't get scared that you have to read all those things. No, no, no. You should not read all those things. We are just going to take that much part which is beneficial to understand your cardiovascular system. So first of all, we will see the general introduction and some basic definitions, okay, which is going to be used at various places in your cardiovascular disease or any other. The second one is mechanism of action, which is very important. Here we are going to discuss mainly receptors. Okay, so you know that the third chapter which we are going to see is adrenergic and cholinergic system. This is why, because your cardiovascular system is controlled by adrenergic and cholinergic systems. Okay, so there are various drugs which work upon adrenergic and cholinergic system, and they alter the physiological activity of the heart, and hence they are used in various cardiovascular disease. That is the reason adrenergic and cholinergic system I am going to touch, but that also in brief, not in a detail. Okay, for them we will see some different lectures. Okay, so I am requesting you all to study these chapters because they are going to be basics of your further discussions. Okay, now we'll see the syllabus. So you have various chapters like antihypertensive, diuretics, heart failure, antiarrhythmic, antianginal, anticoagulants and antiplatelet agents, drug for hyperlipidemia. Okay, so these all the chapters need some basic information of adrenergic and cholinergic receptors like alpha 1, alpha 2, beta 1, beta 2, beta 3. Similarly, nicotinic receptor and muscarinic receptors like M1 to M5. Okay, you might have seen various drugs working on cardiovascular system either are stimulant or blocker of these receptors. Okay, so that's why this chapter is very important. Now coming to clinical pharmacy, where you have osteoporosis, dyslipidemia, cirrhosis and portal hypertension, respiratory tract infection, diabetes mellitus and other disease. Okay, so these all things need some basic informations. Okay, with this we came to the end of this discussion, and our upcoming video will be on general introduction to pharmacology. Okay, thanks for watching us.